Well, the title does say unit rate versus unit fractions. Notice both of them have this one word in common. Unit means one. Unit rate versus unit fractions. And the way you could differentiate a unit rate from a unit fraction is where the one is placed. In a unit rate, the one is placed under the fraction bar or on the denominator. In a unit fraction, I'm going to put x. In a unit fraction, the one is placed on the top or the numerator of the fraction. And the good thing is with unit rate, they normally will equal, with unit rates, after you divide, what's going to happen is your answer or your final answer will usually be the number that was on the top. With a unit fraction, it depends on what that number on the denominator is. So for instance, let's say, and I'm going to do this in a completely different color. Let's say if 1 was on the bottom, 1 over 1, that's 1. 1 over 2, that's 0.5. 1 over 3, that's 0.3 with the 3 repeating. 1 over 4, that's 0.25. 1 over 5, that's 0.2. 1 over 6, that is 0.1 with the 6 repeating. 1 over 7 is 0.142857. All of that repeating. 1 over 8 is 0.125. 1 over 9 is 0.1 repeating. 1 over 10 is 0.1. 1 over 11 is 0.09 repeating. And then you have 1/12, which is 0.08 with the 3 repeating. So it's very, very, very important that you guys get to know all of these different unit fractions. Okay? But just to be fair, even though I told you guys if you divide by 1, you get the same thing, let me show you what that looks like. And we could do this in green. Let's say we have our fraction is 12 over 1. That's 12. You got 145 over 1. That's 145. As long as 1 is on the bottom, that answer will stay the same. My challenge for you guys is this. Looking at all of these fractions on the left side, like the 1 over 1 all the way down to the 1 over 12, if you look at the right side with the decimal version or the whole number version, I want you to tell me what pattern do you see as I go from 1 to 0.5 to 0.3 repeating to 0.25 to 0.2 and so on. What pattern do you notice? That will be the challenge. All right.